Hi everyone! Today we are going to show you how to make the most amazing chicken 65 in 3 easy steps. The steps include marinating, frying, and tempering. Here's a list of ingredients before we get into the first step of marination. So here's all you need: half a kg of boneless chicken, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, a quarter teaspoon of red food color, half a teaspoon of MSG salt, 1/8 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of plain yogurt, 4 tablespoons of corn flour. Now add all ingredients to the chicken and mix well. Once this is done, let it sit in a refrigerator for at least 6 hours. Alright, so this is how it looks like after 6 hours of marination. Okay, it's time to fry the chicken now. Heat oil in a pan and drop one piece at a time. Flip the pieces till you see a consistent golden brown color on both sides. Keep the chicken aside when done. This completes step 2 of the process. Now let's get to the final step of tempering. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Get 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, half a cup of coriander leaves, and a quarter cup of curry leaves. Add these ingredients one by one, starting with the cumin seeds. Mix them well and add a little bit of water. Now add the previously fried chicken into the pan. Give it a good mix and cook for about 2 minutes. Place the chicken in a bowl and garnish with fresh coriander leaves. The chicken 65 is now ready. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos.